In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use layers in draw.io. To get started, open your diagram inside the editor. Before you can work with layers, you need to make sure the layers panel is turned on. Go to the top menu bar, click view, and then select layers. When it's enabled, you'll see a check mark next to it. If you prefer using shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl, Shift, and L on your keyboard. Once it's enabled, a small layers window will appear, and that's where you'll manage everything. Now let's create a new layer. In the layers panel, look to the bottom left and click the plus icon. This is the add layer button. A name field will appear, and you can type whatever layer name makes the most sense for your diagram. After entering the name, press enter to save it. Giving layers clear names makes your diagram much easier to organize, especially if you're working with several elements. Next, let's move objects to a layer. On the canvas, select one or more objects that you want to organize, then go back to the layers panel and click the menu icon, which looks like a hamburger menu. From there, hover over Move Selection to, and then choose the layer where you want those selected objects to go. This is useful when you want to separate content by type, purpose, or visibility. You can also show or hide layers whenever needed. In the Layers panel, click the eye icon next to a layer. If the eye is visible, that layer is currently shown in your diagram. If the eye is hidden, that entire layer and all the objects on it will be hidden as well. This is a simple way to reduce visual clutter and focus only on the parts you need. If you want to prevent changes to a layer, use the lock icon next to it. Once a layer is locked, the objects on that layer can't be edited. This is especially helpful when you've finished part of a diagram and don't want to accidentally move or change anything. To change the order of layers, just drag them up or down in the layers panel. Layers higher in the list will appear in front, while layers lower in the list will appear behind. This controls how items are stacked visually in the diagram. Finally, if you need to rename a layer, simply double-click the layer name and type the new one you want. And that's it. Those are the basics of using layers in draw.io. And once you get comfortable with them, organizing your diagrams becomes much easier and more efficient.